Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll and tap on the security. Now we have to scroll down again, and as you can see here we've got SIM card lock section, so let's tap on the card you are currently using. And as you can see here we've got the change SIM pin option, so let's tap on it. Right now we have to enter our current SIM pin, so let me do it. Let's enter it and tap on OK. And right now we have to add new one, type new one, so let me pick something like it. Let's tap on OK. Here we have to retype it and tap on OK again. And as you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so from now on your device will require the new one. What's more, you can decide if you even want to use the locked SIM card. Just by tapping on this switch, you can turn off this option. Obviously you have to enter your current SIM pin in order to activate or actually deactivate, and from now on your device won't require the pin to use and actually start the phone. But I highly recommend to leave it turned on, because you know this is like an additional secure for your device. So well, actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.